In this first phase of the project, we'll start by getting Django up and running, along with the foundational setup we'll need for the rest of the project. So this topic is important because having a clean working environment from the start makes every step that follows easier to manage and understand, especially when we begin layering Redis. Now, this phase is designed for those who are not necessarily too familiar with Django. So if you are, you can skip this phase. There is the source code for each phase available. You'll find that in connected to each introduction in this project. So you can skip the first stage and then just download the source code and start from the next phase if you're already familiar with a general Django setup with DRF. Now, in this phase, we'll be using Docker to isolate and manage our services, setting up Django and the PostgreSQL containers. We'll design some basic models and seed them with data so that we have something to work with. From there, we'll expose our first API endpoint using Django REST framework and check that it's working using Swagger. So everything we do here lays the groundwork for bringing Redis into the picture in the next phase.